So this is going to be my newest DIY. I have Astro as my supervisor. Pretty simple. All we're going to need is a hula hoop, and I picked this up at the dollar store. You're going to need a glue stick. You're going to need some flowers, and I have more flowers than this, but I only have one sitting out right now. And you're going to need a thing of lights, whatever color you guys would like. So the first thing that I'm going to start to do, I'm going to try and see, I tried picking it right here, if I can pick this all sticker off of this hula hoop. So it looks like it's black. I was hoping it was going to be white for my lights, but it's looking like it's going to be black. But anything's better than this crazy print right here. So I'm going to pick that sticker off and I will be back. So I am going to set my flowers and my scissors off to the side. I plugged in my hot glue gun and I'm going to open these lights. Straight down into the middle to start our peace sign. And you want to pull it pretty tight so it holds shape. And make sure it's centered and even. Wrap it around, and then we're going to go back down. And I twist mine around a couple times just so it stays on there relatively well. Then once we get down to where our peace sign should Y out, I'm going to eye it up and wrap it around. Go back and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, this is what I have so far. Once I start hot gluing the flowers and everything, they should all hold into place. I'm going to take my flowers and I'm just going to take them off of the stems. And however many flowers you want is completely up to you guys. I'm going to just place them around and kind of see where I want them first. My cat's trying to pull that. place your flowers around wherever you guys want to. You can play with it, see where you want to do it. You can for sure do it solid in flowers. I'm not going to do it only because I have another DIY that's going to tie into this. So make sure you check back for that. This is going to go in my bathroom. So anyway, I am going to hot glue these roses down, and I'm going to try to glue most of them to the hula hoop, not the wire. My hot glue gun's not hot enough to go through the wires, but some of them are, so make sure you check before you start gluing them all like that. So I will glue these and I will be right back. Okay, so here is what mine looks like finished. Like I said, you can add more flowers or not. I might add a couple more, I'm not sure. I'm going to go put it on my wall and I will show you